Hey traders! Have you ever wondered how much money you're actually putting on the line with each click? Before you place your next trade, there's a crucial concept you absolutely need to master: lot size. Getting this right is the key to managing your risk and trading with confidence. So, what exactly is a lot? Simply put, a lot is the size of your trade. It's a standardized unit that tells the market how much of a currency you want to buy or sell. Think of it like ordering eggs. You don't ask for one egg, you ask for a dozen. In Forex, we use lots to measure our trade volume. Understanding the different lot sizes is fundamental to your success. Let's start with the biggest one, the standard lot. A standard lot represents 100,000 units of the base currency. So if you're trading the EUR-USD pair, one standard lot is a trade worth 100,000 euros. This is typically used by institutional traders or those with very large accounts, because the value of each pip movement is significant, leading to big potential profits but also substantial risk. Now, for most retail traders, a standard lot is a bit too large, especially when you're starting out. That's where the mini lot comes in. A mini lot is 1/10 the size of a standard lot, equaling 10,000 units of the base currency. It offers a great balance, allowing for meaningful trades without exposing your account to excessive risk. Many new traders find their sweet spot right here with mini lots. Want to go even smaller? Next up is the micro lot, which is 1,000 units of the base currency. And for those who want to be extra cautious or test a strategy with minimal capital, there's the nano lot, which is just 100 units. These smaller sizes are perfect for practicing your trading skills in a live market environment. Without risking a lot of money, they give you the flexibility to fine-tune your approach and build confidence. Here's the most important part: lot size is directly tied to your risk. The bigger the lot size, the more your account balance will fluctuate with every pip movement. A 1 pip move on a standard lot can be worth $10, while on a micro lot, it's only 10 cents. A larger lot size means bigger potential profits, but it also means bigger potential losses. Never forget that it's a double-edged sword. So, how do you choose the right lot size for you? It's not about gut feelings or chasing huge profits. Smart traders make this decision based on two things: their account size and a solid risk management strategy. A common rule of thumb is to risk no more than 1 or 2% of your account balance on a single trade. By calculating your position size based on this rule, you ensure that a few losing trades won't wipe out your account. Mastering lot sizes is your first line of defense in the Forex market. It allows you to control your risk, protect your hard-earned capital, and trade with the calm confidence of a professional. Understand your lots, manage your risk, and trade smart. Thanks for watching, and be sure to subscribe for more tips to level up your trading game.